Everybody's back out here. Lots and lots of work happening. We're cleaning everything up. Got a wedding to do tomorrow. That'll be the second wedding out here, so we're doing that. And yeah, Chris is trying to get his equipment going, fix those leaks. The logger's over there still cutting his stuff up. He's still dragging trees out of here, so let's see what everything's looking like. So it started coming down this side. Supposed to save that tree, but one of the trees that cut down took out that limb. See how that works out in the end. Got plenty of stuff stacked up here. I mean, this is a lot of burning, but whatever. You here to finally do some work?
I am.
Where's your Beely Good shirt? I mean, I'm always repping you.
I know. You got a horrible supporter, don't you?
Huh. Give the man a free shirt, it turns into a dust rag.
I know.
Figure out what's wrong with this thing yet?
But I keep looking at it and nothing changes, so I don't know. I don't know where the oil comes from, honestly.
I see it's accumulating in the bucket.
Is it still running out?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. It's environmentally friendly oil.
At this rate, they'll be done soon. How much more they got to clear anyway?
Probably, I would say, what, half of it now.
Got everybody out here. Over there's Eminem. Tater over here weed eating. I'm gonna hook up and move the trailer. James is out there finishing up some mowing. One day when we mow, it won't just be a dust cloud. Move the bus over here. Yeah, I'm getting there. It's looking pretty good. I don't know if I've shown this lately. It's looking all right. Yeah, Beely Good day without a Beely Good drone footage. What? come down through here will no longer curve over there and curve around and all that. This will be the pond dam over here, straight, right along the property, near the property line. And then all that'll be water. Hey, you done? I mean, I was busy filming other people work.
Oh yeah?
And so I expect you to be done.
It's usable. There's something leaking out. There's like a pressure release or something. I don't know.
Did you ask James? He knows everything
yet.
about everything.
I figured I'd go straight to the company that built this. They would probably have a better...
And instead of James? Come on, man. So. If you took better care of your equipment, if
I mean, yeah.